game. So, let's see. What is this?
A horse.
Very good English. A horse. Can you find a picture of a horse, please? A picture of a horse, okay? Yeah, very good, Mireia, Roa. Yes, okay. Hold it this way, Neil. Show the audience. Are they right?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Very good. Music, please. Okay, what does it say?
Pig.
Picture of a pig. Go on, Neil. Okay, show the crowd, show the audience. Are they right? Yes,
Yes.
they are. Well done. Ooh. Key. Mireia, very fast. Oh, well done, Neil. One along. A key. Are they right? Yes, they are. Okay, let's see. You find a picture of a dog? Very good, Neil. Okay. Another one. Mireia, no dog? Okay, so we have 2 dogs, yes? They're right? Very good. Thank you very much, Neil. Thank you, Ella. Round of applause, please. What's your name? Clara. Hello, Clara. And young man, what is your name? Martin. Hello, Martin. Can you do this? Ready? Start with this leg. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, kick. Okay. Now, when we kick, you shout, hey! Okay? 1, 2, 3, hey! 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 1, 2, 3, Can you do this? Robin Hood. 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 Very good. Music. The sheriff of Nottingham, a very bad man. He takes all the gold from the poor and old. And I take all the bad and give it to the good. Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Okay, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up. We're going to do it again.
¡Ay, cosas que no dio!
Sheriff of Nottingham, very bad man. He takes all the gold.
Lady Marion, I have bought you some new clothes. First of all, from El Corte Inglés. And from Zara, I have bought you this beautiful bag. Excellent. Now, Lady Marion, you can hold Buffy under your arm. Under your arm. Perfect. Now, a little surprise. Hold this like this. And let's stand here. And I'll take this key and put it in here. Ching. Now, Lady Marion and Muffy are mine, but I must hide the key. Here, yes. Yeah. Lady Marion, you shout, help, help!
Help, help!
And you shout, Robin Hood!
Robin Hood! Help, help! Robin Hood! Help, help! Robin Hood! Help, help! Robin Hood! Help, help! Robin Hood! Help, help!
Lady Marion, Muffy, but where's the keys? Hello, Lady Marion. Hello, Lady Marion. Lady Marion, can I ask you a question?
Yes,
Lady Marion, you know I love you. Lady Marion, do you love me?
Es el móvil de la Luna.
Lady Marion, will you finally?
Not so fast, Robin Hood! I just want to say,
Lady Marion, finally we are alone. Lady Marion, will you marry me? Yes, she said yes. It's all going to be wonderful.
is this your girlfriend?
Yes, Lady Marion is my girlfriend.
Well, girlfriend tax is too good, he says.